In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Map into your online store's contact page. We'll walk through each step to make sure your customers can easily find your business location on your website. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your online store's management system. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where you manage your pages. This is usually found under a menu titled Pages or something similar, depending on the platform you're using. When you open this section, look for the page labeled Contact and select it. This is the page where we'll be embedding the Google Map, which provides your users with an intuitive and direct way to visualize your physical location. Next, let's shift our focus to Google Maps. Open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Maps. Here, you'll need to search for the specific location you wish to display on your contact page. Ensure that the address is accurate and that it pinpoints the exact spot relevant to your business. This is key to providing accurate directions to your customers. Now, once you have located your business on Google Maps, you need to integrate this information into your website. To do this, look for the Share option on the Google Maps page. This is usually denoted by an icon of an arrow. Click on Share and then select Embed a Map. This will bring up a preview of what your map will look like when it's embedded. Before you copy the HTML link provided, take a moment to adjust the map size to better fit your website design. Click on Custom Size, as this allows you to set dimensions that can complement the overall layout of your contact page. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, copy the HTML link generated by Google Maps. Having copied the link, head back over to the contact page of your online store. In the content section of this page, you'll find the option to edit HTML or directly input your code. This is where you'll paste the HTML link you just copied. It's important that this code is placed correctly within your existing content to ensure the map displays properly. Finally, be sure to save any changes you've made before exiting the page editor. This will update your contact page with the new map embedded, allowing visitors to view and interact with it when they look up your contact information. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you've successfully embedded a Google Map into your contact page. Having a map on your contact page not only enhances the user experience, but also helps solidify your online presence by making it easier for customers to find and reach your business. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy embedding!